Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing the Prores RAW files and immediately checking camera RAW settings on the clip. Set decode using to camera metadata or DaVinci Resolve so the RAW controls unlock. Next, adjust exposure, ISO, and white balance inside camera RAW. This preserves highlight and shadow information. Once those base corrections are set, make a new node in the color page and label it base exposure. This creates a non-destructive foundation for all subsequent creative work. Now go into primary corrections. Use lift for shadows, gamma for midtones, and gain for highlights. Make conservative adjustments so you keep RAW headroom. Once balanced, add a log or custom curves node to shape contrast. Tweak pivot to preserve skin detail while increasing perceived punch. Then address color. Boost or reduce saturation globally, and switch to vector scope to align skin tones around the skin line. Make sure to label nodes so you can toggle each corrective stage easily. Finish by creating the creative grade on a new node. Apply a LUT or stylized look, but dial back strength to preserve natural skin and highlights. Use power windows to isolate faces or important elements, track them so the grade follows motion, and add a final sharpening or film grain node if desired. Once done, inspect waveform and histogram for clipping, enable render cache for smooth playback, and export with the correct color space like Rec. 709 or ACES. Troubleshooting tip: if colors shift on export, confirm project and render color space match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.